To wrap up our segment on the tips now, well, I mentioned earlier that you want to keep a constant curvature to your tip, whichever you like the best, either a nickel curvature or a dime curvature. And the best way to do that is actually take it to a professional who can put it on his lathe and make the curvature just right for you. Or there's a more economical and better way to do that yourself, and that's with one of the multi-tip tools that they've got on the market nowadays. There are all kinds of things available. For years, people have used a half-round file where they just take the file and they rub it across the top and slowly put the curvature in there. But in recent years, there have been tools made that will just automatically put the curvature in there that you want. For instance, these two here happen to be a couple of my favorites. This one here will give you the curvature of either a dime or a nickel. This one here, a dime or a nickel, depending on the way that it's designed. The neat thing about these tools is they come with a gauge that you can put right up to your tip and see whether or not it is conforming to the curvature that you need. And then the indented portion of it right here with the abrasive that it's got in it, as you use that over the top, it will automatically give you the curvature that you like.